creates even, thin garlic slices quickly and safely with a sharp, angled, bi-directional stainless steel blade. Integrated food chamber keeps garlic contained and protects hands while slicing. Textured ramp prevents food from sticking. Food holder snaps horizontally over blade for safe, compact storage. Soft, comfortable, non-slip handle. OXO's garlic slicer makes quick work of the tricky and tedious task of slicing garlic. Our slicer features a soft, comfortable, non-slip handle, a textured ramp to prevent food from sticking, and a sharp, angled, bi-directional stainless steel blade. This special blade creates thin, even garlic slices in both directions quickly and safely. The integrated food chamber slides easily onto the ramp, and is the perfect size for garlic cloves. Our textured plunger holds the clove gently in place while you slice, and keeps hands and fingers clean and safely away from the blade and garlic. Get in touch with us for a repair or replacement. We're grateful for the opportunity to learn from your experience, and we'll make it better. Top reviews from the United States. Why did I wait so long? I am a garlic-holic and mince or slice garlic every night. I'm pretty proficient, and even though I was tempted to buy this, I kept saying I didn't need another gadget. Well, I finally gave in, and I just love this. You get the loveliest and most uniform very thin slices. Much thinner than I can do by hand. It's also much safer and faster. Easy to clean, which is the other reason I resisted, didn't want another thing to clean after cooking, and doesn't take up much room. My only minor negative is that while the chute snaps on nicely, protecting you from the blade and ensuring it stays with the slicer, the part you use to press the garlic down does fall out, and I sometimes have to root around in the gadget drawer to find it. If there is ever an upgrade, it would be nice to have a way to also snap or lock it in place for storage.